Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to go through and I'm going to run these through the colander. It's been about 4 weeks, maybe 5, a little closer to 5 I'd say. Tumbling these rocks, I wasn't satisfied with the first round of the tumbling process. I felt like I didn't have enough of the grit in there. So I'm going to empty these out, run them through the colander, rinse them off, and be right back. Alright, welcome back everybody. We're here. I got them all cleaned off, and they're sitting out. They're all dry. You know, they turned out fairly well. This is my first shot at it. I'm gonna do another tutorial here, step 1 through 4. Probably get that up, step 1 is at least as early as tomorrow, so you guys can see the process from start to finish. Anyway, let's check some of these out. You know, I just got a different variation of some different kind of rocks in there. But all in all, I'm pretty pleased as far as my first time goes. They're all very smooth. When the light hits them, they're very shiny. Nothing was too pitted. It actually turned out better than I had hoped, you know. So it's just gonna keep getting better from here on out. You know, I'm gonna keep bringing videos to you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, I'm open to them. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, yeah, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.